Hello everyone, today I'm doing a review about this Unimog from the brand Xcartoys. It's in a 1/64 scale and I still think the Unimog from Xcartoys is the best on the market in a 1/64 scale. Suga also has a very good 1/64 scale Unimog, but that one is more classic. I think that one is also very good, but when I talk about a modern looking Unimog, this is definitely one of the best. I'm still hoping that they do the most recent Unimog. I haven't seen that one in a 1/64 scale. I did see it in a bigger scale, like 1/43. I think Burago has one. I think I even did a video about it. Anyway, let's look at the box first. So we can see it looks like it's official licensed by Mercedes, but I'm not 100% sure. Armadillo Crawler Unimog U4000. We already see some pictures of the Unimog inside. And if you are a fan of the show, you have seen the video with the Scania truck from Mazda in a 1/64 scale. And there I already showed you the Unimog. But I think this Unimog deserves its own video. And in the back I got more Xcartoys Unimogs. So this is the latest one from Xcartoys. It's still available on the World Wide Web. And I bought it on Aliexpress. Price around 20-25 euro. And what do you get? You get a full diecast model. You get rubber tires, very well rolling rubber tires. Rubber side mirror. Oh no, those are plastic. Those used to be rubber. I'll show you later. We got the Mercedes-Benz logo, nice grille, good interior. Steering wheel is a little bit meh. Let's see if I can focus on that. It's a little bit. Let's get a light so we can have a look inside. See, the steering wheel is a little bit of a stump. That's a little bit disappointing. A spare tire, and you can take out that spare tire. See, and it is the same as on the truck. I like that. And here you can put it back in. Metal base. Yeah, here we got some plastic part, but most of it is metal. No opening parts. Yeah, very cool looking Unimog. Improvements. Well, a better steering wheel maybe. An opening part would also be cool, and a weathered version. Yeah, we definitely, from an off-road truck like this, we definitely need a weathered version. Okay, what other Unimogs does Xcartoys has released? Well, this one right here, this one is also available in green. I bought the camouflage one. Really nice. And here, see, it had the rubber side mirrors that you have to put on yourself. Back then it was not licensed by Mercedes, so you got decals with it. Also very good camouflage. This was the first one they released in this desert color. Pretty much the same as the last one. This one also came with rubber side mirrors and no Mercedes logo. Yeah, same interior. Yeah, unfortunately. Well, at least they are consistent. Yeah, also nice base. Similar looking, but different livery. Tank, support unit. There's also tank is an off-road vehicle from China, and there is a tank off-road car in the same livery as this one. Here it had the Mercedes logo and the side mirrors were already on. Yeah. They also have a fire truck. This one came with figures in chrome. They also have a normal, not a chrome version. Really cool. And it came with 2 figures. Always good when it comes with figures. Then we have this Riot Unimog. This one looks very different compared to the other ones. Really cool. This one, by the way, was also released by Tiny Toys. Pretty much the same. Yeah, it says Xcartoys here on the base. There is another cool one. Let's see if I can show you that. Let's see. Yes. I have another one. At first I'm going to show you that tank car livery. That is right here. Also from the brand Xcartoys. This one comes with a lot of accessories. And it is from a set. Really, really cool. Metal body, metal base, suspension, rubber tires. Yeah, very cool. This one is also from that set. Very cool. Yeah, I have another Unimog, and that is definitely my favorite because it's from the Dutch rescue. Yeah, how do I say it? Rescue department or Coast Guard. No, it's not Coast Guard. When you're in trouble on the water, they will help you. When there is something on the beach, they will help you. Let's see if I can get it out. Let's do it like this. It's too good. So I have to show you. I believe I have a couple of these. Not sure if they're still available. See, here it is. Very cool. I'm really glad Xcartoys made this one. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a very nice day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.